Hey guys, check out my new cup holders I installed. These bad boys are right on the parcel tray. So I'm gonna do some, ready for some cruising here. Got one on the passenger side. Some road trips, and we can put our drinks and our hands can be on the steering wheel instead of our drinks flying, our tea or water flying all over the whole car. So we'll see how these do. I haven't tested them out yet. So we got a place to put our beverages when we're driving. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great Monday, start of the week. Hopefully Friday will come soon, and we'll go to some Volkswagen events this weekend. Enjoy your week. Be safe. We'll see you this weekend. Of course I don't drink and drive. It's not an alcoholic brew. What do you think I am?